Crack. What happens when a bone breaks? 4 steps to fix it. Learn what it takes. First know your fractures. Close the open style. Close means skin is intact. The bone breaks inside. Open means bone pierces through the skin. Ouch. These are the 2 big categories. That's your basic touch. Step 1, hematoma. Blood clot forms right there. Step 2, granulation tissue. New capillaries appear. Step 3, bony cartilage and bone bridge the gap. Step 4, remodeling new complex bone on the map. He got better rapidly. 4 steps, that's the fact. Step 1, broken blood vessels. Bleeding fills the site. A blood clot, hematoma falls. Sealing up the night. Step 2, granulation tissue, capillaries growing. New connective tissue forms, healing begins. Hematoma, blood clot forms right there. Step 2, granulation tissue, new capillaries appear. Step 3, bony cartilage and bone bridge the gap. Step 4, remodeling new compact bone on the map. He got better rapidly. 4 steps. Step 3, the FIBROCARTILAGINOUS CALLUS bridges the break. Osteoblasts arise, start laying bone in his way. Becomes a bony callus, temporary bone bridge, yeah. Step 4, remodeling compact bone replaces this. Spongy callus gets replaced by organized compact bone. It's a long process, weeks to months, but not done alone. Hematoma first, the clot takes the scene. Granulation tissue, new blood flow to the team. Bony